Hi guys, do you want a second citizenship for your family and you want a country like Canada, Australia or New Zealand? Then Canada can be the best country for you because you can get your citizenship in only 3 years. So by 3 years, I mean 1095 days, and that too you have to complete in 5 years. Means it doesn't have to be consecutive, you can do it in bits and parts. And if by chance you couldn't complete 1095 days, then you can even complete 730 days in 5 years to maintain your permanent residency and be a permanent resident of Canada and take all benefits except the voting rights. So what are you waiting for? Start your process today by calling our consultants and taking the free assessment and counseling, because immigration means fly high abroad.